To manage your Santander student account effectively, start by understanding the key features and benefits it offers. Santander student accounts are designed to help students manage their finances while in university, providing features such as interest-free overdrafts, no monthly fees, and exclusive discounts. First, ensure you have online banking set up for your account. This will allow you to check your balance, view transactions, and transfer money easily. You can do this by registering on the Santander website or through their mobile app. Next, set up account alerts to notify you when your balance is low or when a large transaction is made. This will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid any potential issues. To manage your overdraft, make sure you understand the terms and conditions. Santander offers interest-free overdrafts up to a certain limit, but be aware that going over this limit or not paying back the overdraft at the end of your studies can result in interest charges. It is also essential to keep track of your spending. Use the Santander mobile app to categorize your transactions and set budgets for different areas of your life, such as food, entertainment, and bills. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to stay within your means. Another important aspect of managing your Santander student account is taking advantage of the exclusive discounts and offers available to students. From retail discounts to travel deals, these can help you save money and make the most of your time at university. Finally, make sure to review your account regularly to ensure you are getting the most out of it. Check for any changes to the terms and conditions, and consider switching to a different account if your financial situation changes. By following these steps and staying on top of your finances, you can effectively manage your Santander student account and make the most of the benefits it has to offer. Remember to always keep track of your spending, stay within your overdraft limit, and take advantage of the exclusive discounts available to you.